I've been wanting to put Shelby-style racing stripes on my Bronco Raptor for quite a while, and I'm glad to say I've finally gotten around to it. There's a handful of options for vinyl graphics for the Bronco online. Took a look at a lot of the options there, but none of them were exactly what I was looking for. I really wanted something that looked like a Shelby Mustang. Found some measurements online for the center and side stripes. For the side stripes, I went with standard Shelby dimensions that I found online. I'll put those in the description below. For the hood, I decided to kind of go in between a little bit. I had taken a look at what the dimensions were of the historic Mustangs. I took a look at what some of the aftermarket stripes that were available currently online were, and I kind of split the difference for the width on those. I think it suits it pretty well. I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. I ended up custom ordering these stripes from a guy off of Etsy that was able to provide the custom stripes. They're really low cost. I think I was into this for just under 70 bucks for the vinyl. And so quite a lot less than the packages that are pre-cut for you. It is maybe a little bit more work to cut it yourself, but really wasn't too bad. Let me tell you a little bit about the process for installing these. For the installation, I used what's called the hinge method, where you go ahead, you line this up, you put a tape line across one half, and you do one half and then the other half to adhere it. And it wasn't too bad. Definitely got better as I went along in the process. What we did was we sprayed the underside with a solution. So the solution was water with a half a teaspoon of Dawn dish detergent and a quarter of a teaspoon of isopropyl alcohol. So that was the solution. We sprayed underneath here so that when the vinyl adheres, you can use the squeegee to move around kind of the bubbles underneath. You can see that my lines on the backside here are not perfect. Yeah, it's a little awkward to reach all the way over on top of this thing, but you know, you generally don't see it unless you're looking for it. With the racing stripes on the bottom, one of the things that I'm noticing now is it really makes the vehicle look even taller. Kind of raises the belt line visually. One thing I learned is to make sure that you grab the right tools to begin with. I started off with a pair of scissors, and my razor blade was a little bit old and dull, so went ahead and later grabbed a X-Acto knife to finish this off. If I had taken a moment to get the right tools in the first place, it would have been a little bit easier, and I probably would have had a better cut on that line. But yeah, a fun, cheap, quick project, and I really like that it's just going to be so unique. Not much more to say about this one, but if you enjoy this content, please like and subscribe to see what I do to it next. Thanks.